Hey, another problem that we keep running into here is the fact that these masks, I'm pretty darn sure, are giving a lot of people neck pain. Again, something's pushing on your chin and you want to push back on it. Sometimes it's your jaw doing the work, but sometimes some of us try to do this. We try to push against it. We have this instinct to try to push against this resistance that's on our face. So anyway, I see a lot of people with a lot of tension and discomfort in the back of the neck up against the head, causing headaches and such like that. In fact, there's a lot of people that are complaining about headaches now more than ever. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to create some movement, but particularly up in this upper area here. So a really simple thing for you to do is this. We're going to teach you first how to get tall and how to get your head back up over your shoulders, because many of us are this way, right? So what that looks like is drawing your neck back and up, okay? What I'm focusing in on is I'm trying to draw this part of my neck back that way. And as I'm doing it, I'm trying to draw my head up too. So not only do I get my head back over my shoulders, where it's much more comfortable and doesn't cause a lot of tension in the muscles, but I'm teaching it how to get elongated, which relieves the joints of the neck, which that by itself can fix a lot of things. But now we're going to add one more thing to it. We're going to add a little nod, so we can stretch these little muscles on the back side of the neck, of the head here, called the suboccipitals. There's a lot of nerves going through them that cause head and neck pain, for that matter, but then also blood flow that goes to the brain. So if you're feeling foggy more so these days than ever, sometimes it can be because you're doing this, and there's other reasons for that too. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to get tall, and then I'm going to do a little nod where I'm just kind of tilting my skull, my jaw, down towards the ground. Okay, from the side. And what you should feel is this pull, this tension that you get every time you do that little nod. And it feels pretty good. And afterwards, you might feel like things are brighter, that you have more energy, that there's just more of the blood flow and tension release in the back that you've been needing for a long time. So try that drill and see how it works for you, and comment in below. All right. Neck pain video. All right.